Hello everyone, and welcome to the OneAttention software. In this video, I'll show you how to take an interfacial rheology measurement using the pulsating drop mode. I'm using the pulsating drop module, the PD200, with the Theta Flow, but this measurement mode is also compatible with the Theta Flex. Begin preparation by attaching the needle and tubing to the module. For the module to actuate the droplet volume of your desired solution adequately, all air needs to be removed from the system. Draw up pure water into the syringe and push it through until all the air is removed from the module. Connect the module to the dispenser holder and attach the syringe to the syringe holder. Place your solution of interest. Today we are using a surfactant solution. You can use the touchscreen on the instrument or the controls in the software to set up the experiment. Select the pulsating drop mode in the software and click Dispense to ensure the liquid is at the bottom of the needle, indicated by a droplet forming at the tip. Then click the stop icon. Click 0 to set the dispenser volume to 0. Then click Fill to pull in about 25 microliters of air. Place the needle in the surfactant solution and use the fill and stop controls on the touchscreen to draw in about 25 microliters of your liquid. This additional air plug we created prevents the surfactant solution from being diluted inside the needle. To start the experiment, drag the red bar to the tip of the needle. In the Recipe tab, name your experiment. Scroll down to Image Recording Settings and enter the total duration of recording. I'm using 60 seconds and keeping the default 6 frames per second. In Heavy Phase, use the Integrated Liquid Database to select your liquid of interest. In this case, we are using a test liquid. Under the Pulsating Drop drop-down, define your measurement points separated by semicolons. Enter the wait period, the frequency, and the number of cycles. Each measurement point should have its own line. For example, the first measurement point has a wait time of 0 seconds, a frequency of 0.25 Hz, and 10 cycles. Select the waveform. For most applications, sine is typically used. For amplitude, enter 100 to have the maximum change in droplet area. Under the dispenser drop-down, make your drop size as large as your liquid allows. Today, I'm choosing 10 microliters. Click play. The recording status is shown in the upper left corner and the droplet volume status in the upper right. The live results plot displays the phase shift between the change in area and surface tension in real time. The software executes the measurement for each of the 3 frequencies for the number of cycles specified in the Recipe tab. Switch to the Analysis Navigation tab and double-click on your measurement. Select Yes to analyze with default settings. The frame analysis progress appears under the image. Use Ctrl-A on your keyboard to highlight the table, then right-click and select OsDrop Analysis. Your interfacial rheological data appear in the Results panel on the right. Repeat the default analysis and OsDrop analysis process for your other 2 measurement points. Right-click anywhere on your results table and select Graph Pulsating Drop Results. This graph plots the interfacial rheology measurement as a function of frequency. And that's how to use the pulsating drop measurement mode with the OneAttention software. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get the most out of your instrument. Happy experimenting, and we'll see you next time. Visit us at nanoscience.com for more information.